Urvashi Dholkia, age 47 in 2025. Famous as Komolika in Kasauti Zindagi Ke. Sudha Chandran, age 60 in 2025. Famous as Ramola Sikand in Kahi Kisi Roj. Ashwini Kalsekar, age 55 in 2025. Famous as Jigyasa Walia in Kasang Hase. Mandira Bedi, age 53 in 2025. Famous as Mandira in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Shweta Keswani, age 47 in 2025. Famous as Aparna in Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki. Sayantani Ghosh, age 40 in 2025. Famous as Nagin antagonist roles in Nagin and Sasural Simar Ka. Chetan Hansraj, age 42 in 2025. Famous as Sasha antagonist in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Meghna Malik, age 54 in 2025. Famous as Ammaji, antagonist led in Na Aana Is Des Lado. Rucha Gujrathi, age 46 in 2025. Famous as Suhana, grey negative arcs in Bhabhi. Amrapali Gupta, age 36 in 2025. Famous as Tanveer, Billu Rani in Kubul Hai. Shweta Kawatra, age 49 in 2025. Famous as Pallavi in Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki. Kamya Punjabi, age 45 in 2025. Famous as Sindura, antagonist in Banu Main Teri Dulhan. Anita Hassanandani, age 44 in 2025. Famous as Vishakha, vamp in Nagin 3 and negative roles in Kavyanjali. Ada Khan, age 36 in 2025. Famous as Sesha, antagonist in Nagin. Rakshanda Khan, age 50 in 2025. Famous as Tanya in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and Malika, villain in Jassi Jaisi Koi Nahi. Narayani Shastri, age 46 in 2025. Famous as Tara in Piya Ka Ghar and grey negative roles in Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi. Kishori Shahane, age 56 in 2025. Famous as negative roles in Ghar Ki Lakshmi Betiya, Shakti, and various 2000s serials. Molly Ganguly, age 47 in 2025. Famous as Shaina, vamp in Kahi Kisi Roj.